Good morning, pregame crew. How are ya? It is Wednesday, December 27th, 2023, 6:20 a.m. Mountain Time, 8:20 a.m. Eastern Time. Good morning. 4-hour bull flags all the way around. Let's do audio visual check and let me say hello to my friends. Hey, Greg, Tom, Clifton, Chris, T. Blizzy, Hector, Gino, Awesome, Andre. Hey, KK. Topher, Spaceball, Tess, thank you for being here, Bennett. Batuse, Ahmed, Carl, Hugo, good morning. Absolutely, I can do you, Car. One second. Hi. Batuse, great question. So Bitcoin ETF, if there's an announcement, is it buy the rumor, sell the news event, or blast off? I think initially it will blast off, and then I think it will be a great short opportunity. We've had so many false news or whatever you call it, like little tidbits that come out. Oh, it may be approved. And so it's kind of baked in at this point, I think. So I think we'll get an initial blast off and then we'll be able to short it. Is there a noise in the background? I'm sorry if there is. There's nothing new on my part. Good morning. I'm not feeling the best this morning. My daughter has a cold and I think she gave it to me. Let me go back up to the top. For any chart requests, I'm assuming y'all can hear me. UCAR. Oh, wow. Penny stocks are a beating. Not good. Not good. Lots of dilution. Lots of bag holders overhead. This is a mess. So many bag holders. You have a cold too, Bennett. Sorry. Sounds like a washing machine. Tess, anybody else have any background noise that's bad? I didn't do anything differently. Market's really moving here. Okay, let me go back up after UCAR. I'm sorry, I don't have anything nice to say about UCAR. Thanks, Carl. Appreciate it. Hey, user in Colombia. CLSK. My kid wants me dead. That's funny. Thank you, Sergio. Thank you, Batuse. Thank you. This is a nice chart. When you have a name that's made this big of a move in this short amount of time, I would keep it on back burner watch. You have a weekly inside bar. 1391 is your next big resistance. You're gapping up. Gap rules apply. So the high yesterday, 1181. And so the best play on this is if it were to come down and test this area and hold it, then that's a long signal. And put your stop like right under 1180. This looks great. A fan or a treadmill, huh? Good morning. I mean, all I have is my computer. My computer has a little humming thing. Sorry, y'all. I will work on it. Huh. Okay, let me go back up. PLTR. PLTR has been really tough. We're looking for that weekly high or low, and we keep thinking it's going to be set. Like, it's time. 4-hour oversold. Let's set it. But it's just not getting the job done. We are gapping up. Gap rules apply. 1775 is the high of yesterday. As long as that holds, that's a bullish signal. Corey, I love you. AMD is bullish. It's one of my Queen of the Mountain trades. It is gapping up. 52-week high. This isn't an all-time high, but it's a 52-week high. It's gapping up, and I have it on back burner watch right here. Intel and AMD, super strong. Pullbacks are for buying until bears prove otherwise. Google. It bothers me that we have this background noise. I don't know what it is, y'all. I'm sorry. Google is right in the middle of yesterday's range. I wouldn't say it's bullish or bearish right here, but overall the trend is up. Dave, I'm still laughing. My kid wants me dead. T-Doc, haven't looked at this one in a while. Monthly lower high is the more likely scenario. Daily got overbought, but that didn't mark the top. We're getting over it right now. This is going to be weird because I just said it's kind of bullish, but 2203, I would top fish that. If the market's screaming, I wouldn't take a short, but if the market starts to pull back, I think that's a good top fish level. 2203, 2188. That's close enough to be a double top for me. Right here. Right here. Right here. Yeah, triple top. AI. Oh, wait. I skipped CGC. I love you, Corey. We're not gapping up. We're right in the middle of yesterday's range. There was some type of rumor yesterday that made MSOS spike. Daily 50 MA overhead, but they are making enough room for a daily high or low on the next pullback. I hope CGC just starts screaming for you, Corey. I hope that we get some federal news and it helps your position. I just feel bad. Nothing special yet. AI had a big move yesterday. Still didn't get through the prior day's high. 29.95. That is your level to get through to break this daily inside bar bullish. Get over 29.89 and then break 29.95. Daily squeeze is heavily shorted. So if it could get over $30, this could get a move on. Oh, thanks, Foxy. Sorry, y'all. I don't know what that is. Shoot. Clock ticking. Thank you, T Blizzy. Yeah, hit the like button. Ain't nobody doing laundry over here. I don't do laundry. It's not in my forte. Fatten. Daily inside bar. Resistance is 39.53. We're getting up and above that. Gapping up. Gap rules apply. Got a little squeeze. Then we need to get over 40.13. Daily 50 MA is overhead. Looks like it's got to move on. My husband Dan is sleeping. He's on vacation all week. Back in black. ACDC, love it. I'll look at SMH because SOXL is a leveraged ETF, and we don't want to look at that. We want to look at the underlying. It looks great. Intel and AMD are really pushing the semis. If the semis continue to scream, y'all, don't short the market. Semis are the fuel to the market's engine. I've said that over. Oh, Dave, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm not sleeping well, worrying about my mom, you know? It's life. Hopefully things get better and 2024 is a better year. Y'all ready to get this party started? Good morning. Welcome to the pregame show. This is who I am. I'm Chart Gal Lori. If you want to give me a follow on Twitter, that'd be lovely. You can check us out at chartguys.com. We have a swing report promo. It's in the YouTube description below. 50% off for 1 month. I think it's, I don't want to tell y'all a lie. I think it's $24.99 for 1 month. It's 50% off, whatever that is. It's unbelievable. And Lamont has been on fire. Absolutely on fire. What I do here every morning is, besides being a little silly, is I show you my table, which is definitely more bullish than bearish today. Show you the econ calendar, which is very boring. I have my notes that are off screen. I copy and paste for TCG members when I am done. Alrighty. Thanks, T Blizzy. Yeah, I'll have to figure out what that noise is because I haven't done anything differently. Let me check the properties on my mic real quick. Yeah, I haven't done anything different. I don't know what happened, but I'll figure it out. I.e. my son is here and he will figure it out. Potential 4-hour bull flag on ES, on NASDAQ. RTY is definitely stronger than the other two. And YM, potential 4-hour bull flag. So overall, bulls are large and in charge. Did any of y'all take heed to what I said yesterday about holidays are for bulls because we have the C team in place and they're more comfortable buying and going long than they are selling. And it continues to be true, except for 2018. But overall, that is working. Yeah, Mara's crazy, y'all. I took a big loss on Mara last week. Sorry, I had a day loser on Mara trying to short it. To be honest, I know y'all have been here and y'all heard me talk about the dilution. I've shorted it and I've done well on it. It's my #1 ticker on the year. But last week I took a day loser. So I'm trying to stay away from it a little bit because I have a bias because of all the dilution. But dang, that volatility is amazing. Beautiful chart. People are buying in hopes of that Bitcoin ETF. Again, I think it's going to be a sell the news event, and I will short Mara on a Bitcoin ETF news pop. I'm going to wait for us to have a volume climax, and then I will short it. Okay, let's get back to the indices. Mark, let's do it. Chris, that's funny. Sorry, y'all, about the noise. So ES, we're going sideways on the hourly chart. This is very, very bullish. We're above 50 RSI. We're above the EMA. Super bullish. NASDAQ, bullish. RTY is leading the show. Look at IWM, y'all. Y'all look at that. This was yesterday. It never lost the EMAs all day. Super bullish. When you have small caps running like this is a risk-on environment. People are saying, I'm not scared of the market and I'm going to invest in even the small caps. Okay. Go back up. Hang Seng was up last night. That is new. It was up 1.74. DAX is up 0.26. Bitcoin is having a moment. Finally, it's bouncing. 4-hour lower high. Still the more likely scenario. We do have an hourly uptrend. Ethereum, hourly uptrend. 4 hour, we're right here at resistance 2304. Bears will be looking to top fish that level. Dollar is weak, and that is good for the market. I guess bad for Americans, but good for the market in general. It is a tailwind for equities. The dollar is weak. Each balance just keeps getting shorted, which is good for the market. Gold's taking advantage of it. We're slightly sideways, 4 hour sideways. Daily, we broke bull over this inside bar, but we were unable to get through 2083. We have a double top there now on gold. Oil, always remember pre-market shenanigans, low volume, and things can happen, and it's very frustrating when you're trying to trade oil in pre-market. Low volume can move it. We've got a daily uptrend, which most likely set that monthly higher low. And now we have an hourly downtrend, maybe a little consolidation. We were closed Monday, so I'm not sure about oil inventory. It's probably moved to tomorrow. If you're trading oil, please check that yourself. Nat gas is actually moving. We're still below the daily EMA's potential weekly bear flag. Don't have a trade for you on that one. All right, Apple. Let's see what I have. Potential weekly bull flag, bear break, slacking, follow through. I think we need to pay attention to Apple. This is a potential weekly bull flag. Now look at these little bear breaks. Here, even in after hours, they're not getting a lot of follow through. Apple, I think, is the key to the market today. Let me go back over here. Let me highlight Apple. It's bearish right now, but if these tiny bear breaks without follow through, it could be a falling wedge of sorts, and that could lift the whole market. Okay. Amazon, we continue to go sideways on the hourly chart, and this is what I drew yesterday, this squeeze. We are not over yesterday's high yet, but I think Amazon could also be, I don't have Amazon on my list over here, but I think that this could give us clues for the market if this can break bull. Amazon is a great, I think this could be a great day trading opportunity for options traders today on Amazon if it were to break over yesterday's high. Thank you, MG, always to the rescue. The weekly squeeze continues. This is a bullish chart. We're not over yesterday's high. It's not as bullish as AMD and Intel, but it still looks great. I would not be shorting semiconductors today. Tesla daily uptrend is in focus for bulls. We need to get over 259.84 during regular trading hours to confirm this daily uptrend. We're gapping up, gap rules apply. Of our regular four, I like Amazon the best for a potential long trade. Black beauty machine, that's nice to say. AMD, it's a queen of the mountain trade. Let me just copy my notes and make it easier. I told y'all I have a cold. I'm on some medicine. Not at my best today. I want to make sure I'm as accurate as possible. So this is what I'm looking at for queen of the mountain trades. AMD, gap rules apply, back burner watch. Intel, same thing. FSR is on a triple daily inside bars. I love this setup. And Mara, back burner watch for first 5 minute or 15 minute oversold during regular trading hours. Let's look at FSR. This thing is heavily shorted. Look at those daily inside bars. The yellow candles means it's an inside bar. I love how tight this range is. It's oversold. I like it for a long better than a short. So I think this is a beautiful setup. And then Mara, we're looking for 5 minute oversold during regular trading hours. Look what it did yesterday. What was that? 5% bounce yesterday on the 5-minute back burner. So we're looking for 5-minute back burner on Mara today. I do have a bent against Mara and coin. It's been my issue all year long, but I think that's half the battle, is recognizing when you don't like a name. Mara and coin I don't like long, but I have to trade the charts and the technical setup, and that's the way it is as 5-minute back burners continue to work. Look at that squeeze, y'all. Look at this high compression squeeze on FSR. This could be an explosive setup if it were to break out. There are only 81 likes. I only have 200 of y'all on this morning, which I'm grateful for each and every one of you being here. But the algos like it when I get more likes. So if you could hit the like button, that'd be great. Ahmed, I don't follow the Bollinger Bands. I don't follow it at all. I used to, but it's not important to me anymore. I'll go back and listen to the video and see what that background noise is. See if I missed anything. We still have potential daily head and shoulders on the RSI on ES. I forgot to mention that again here. But that's not enough reason for me to short ES. It's just something I'm taking note of. Anything else I wanted to say? Apple's the key to the market today, and then Amazon. Bulls want that to break out. That is a tight hourly pattern. Love this pattern. Love it. Thanks, Tim. Good morning, Thomas. Is Wolf Bitcoin related, Mark? I didn't know that. Yeah, that's beautiful. Big gap up. Huge gap up. But I would not be buying it up here. I'd wait for a pullback to buy it. I wanted to show y'all one thing. Macy's. We talked about it yesterday. Let me hide this. VWAP. We talked about it, the $21 buyout offer, and how it can be like a broken slot machine. Look at the pullbacks to VWAP, how they were bought per flips. I still think Macy's has a great little range bound. If you're a range bound trader, if you're not a range bound trader, this would be painful for you. Neo. Hang Seng was up big overnight, but Neo's somewhat flat. It's only up 2 cents. It had a huge day yesterday. I would keep Neo on back burner watch. You get over the gap, over 960, then you get into gap fill territory. It's just a little concerning that it's not gapping up considering how strong Asian markets were overnight. But overall, I'd keep this on back burner watch. I'm going to end the show early today. I told y'all I had a little cold. I will copy the notes over to TCG members when I am done. I appreciate you dealing with the background noise, whatever that is, and Advil, cold and sinus Lori. I appreciate it. And I hope you have a wonderful trading day and use stop losses.